Hello there. Have you ever felt tired or discouraged? Because day after day, no matter how hard you try, you just can't seem to make consistent profits from trading or investing. If your answer is yes, then this video is made for you. Because once you truly understand and apply what I'm sharing today, you'll be able to manage your current capital and start growing it steadily and sustainably. We often hear people say, up to 98% of traders lose money in the market. That number may not be perfectly accurate, but the truth is undeniable: most traders lose. And that money eventually flows into the pockets of a small group, those who truly understand the nature of the game. Who are they? They are the ones with discipline, patience, and above all, the ability to manage risk. Most of us lose money, not because we're not smart, but because we don't know how to manage our capital. Many people have heard about risk management, but only in passing. We don't truly understand how crucial it is. Instead, we get caught up in things that seem more exciting: chart analysis, searching for trading strategies, or simply following other people's trades. But my friend, forget all of that for a moment and start again with the most important piece: capital management. The three pillars of success in trading. In trading and investing, there are three key elements that determine success. 1. Strategy: how you enter the market and define your entry and exit points. 2. Risk management: how you size positions, set stop losses, and take profits. 3. Psychology: your ability to stay calm, disciplined, and confident under all circumstances. These three factors are like the three legs of a stool. If one is missing, the others lose their meaning. If you ask most traders which is the most important, they'll say risk management. That's true, but not the whole picture. To me, risk management and psychology are the two most crucial pillars because they reinforce each other. Many traders claim they manage risk well. But how many truly stick to their plan with discipline when the market becomes volatile? No one wins forever. It takes only one moment of losing control for all your gains to disappear. When your mind is calm and your spirit clear, you make better decisions. But how can we maintain such mental stability amid the chaos of the market? Trading, the inner battle. At its core, trading isn't just a battle of skill, it's a battle within the mind. Whenever the market swings violently, our emotions swing with it. And within those emotional waves, we see our true selves. Let me share with you a practice that not only helps in trading, but in every aspect of life. It's called Falun Dafa, also known as Falun Gong. Falun Dafa teaches practitioners to cultivate according to the principles of truthfulness, compassion, and forbearance. If deeply understood and applied, these three words can completely transform the way a trader perceives the market. Truthfulness: the courage to face reality and not deceive yourself. In trading, it means admitting your mistakes, cutting losses when necessary, and not letting ego take control. A trader who is honest with themselves will improve far faster than one who always tries to prove they're right. Compassion: maintaining kindness, free from jealousy or resentment. The market owes nothing to anyone. If you lose, it's a lesson. Keeping compassion allows you to stay balanced, preventing negative emotions from driving poor decisions. Forbearance: the patience to wait for the right opportunity without haste. Trading, like cultivation, takes time. You can't achieve enlightenment overnight. Those who can endure will avoid countless mistakes, entering too early, holding losing positions too long, or constantly switching strategies. When your mind is calm, the market appears calm. When you're no longer driven by fear or greed, you begin to see the market's true flow. Falun Dafa teaches one to look within. Trading is the same. Every loss is not the market's fault, but a reflection of your own mind. The ability to look inward and adjust your mindset is the path to becoming a resilient and consistent trader. In the end, trading is just one small part of life. But if you can apply these principles to your trading, you'll not only become a better trader, but also a more peaceful and balanced human being. For more information about Falun Dafa, you can find the link below this video. Preserve capital before seeking growth. In trading, many people obsess over how to make more. But forget the most important rule: don't lose what you already have. Remember this: you don't need to win every trade to become a winner. You only need to survive long enough for the market to eventually reward you. Preserving capital is not a sign of fear. It's a reflection of clarity and maturity. Just like an experienced sailor, they don't fight the storm, they know when to reef the sails and wait for calm winds. Every trader will make mistakes. But only those who know how to control their losses will last. Think of your capital as the breath of your trading journey. Lose it and you can't continue, protect it and you can go far. Before asking, how can I make money? Ask yourself, how can I avoid losing it? Because only when your foundation is secure can you build a strong and lasting fortress upon it. Who is a truly skilled trader? A great trader is not someone who always predicts the market correctly, but someone who understands themselves, controls risk, and maintains stability in every decision. They don't chase perfection, because they know that no one wins forever. Instead, they focus on what they can control: risk, emotions, and discipline. A true professional doesn't get overly excited after a win, nor do they collapse after a loss. They treat each trade as just one small step in a long journey, not a life or death battle of the day. Winning big may boost your confidence, but losing small and surviving long-term is what builds true strength. Because in the end, in trading, the one who survives the longest is the real winner. The secret to stability. The secret to consistent profit in trading is not about winning a lot, but about surviving long enough to win many times. Trading isn't a race to see who wins faster. It's a journey of discipline, patience, and smart risk management. Think of it this way. If every losing trade costs you 1 hour, but every winning trade earns you 3 hours or even 5 hours, then even if you're right only 3 out of 10 trades, you're still profitable. The key isn't to avoid losses, but to know how much you're willing to lose, and whether you can stay calm enough to continue after losing a few trades. Set your risk per trade so that even after 3-5 consecutive losses, you remain emotionally stable and focused. As your account grows, you can gradually increase your risk. But when you hit a losing streak, lower it to protect your capital. Stability doesn't come from luck, it comes from discipline. The truly sustainable trader is the one who knows when to advance, when to retreat, and always keeps a calm mind. Words of inspiration. Success in trading doesn't come from knowing a lot, but from mastering the simple things, deeply and consistently. Most traders fail, not because they lack knowledge, but because they lack the discipline to practice the basics every single day, especially risk management and emotional control. Don't chase the illusion of making money fast. In this market, the winners aren't the fastest, they're the ones who last the longest. Learn to protect your capital. Train your mind to stay calm and clear, and keep moving forward, slowly but steadily. Those who truly succeed aren't luckier than you. They simply have more discipline, more patience, and better self-control. See you in the next video. And remember, don't just learn more, practice deeper.